locked out of your account and can't access your email or phone? Don't worry. There's still a way back in. Here's how to reset your password on Facebook without email or phone access. Start by opening the Facebook login page on your phone or computer. Tap or click the Forgot Password option below the login box. Instead of entering email or phone, type your username or full name. Select your correct profile from the list shown. If you can't access these options, choose Try Another Way. Tap No longer have access to these. Enter a new email address you currently use. This email will be used to help verify your identity. Facebook may ask you to verify your identity. You'll need a clear photo of your ID, like a passport or national card. Upload the ID photo and submit the request. Facebook will review your request and contact you via your new email. This process can take a few hours to a few days. Once approved, you'll receive a password reset link. Open the link and choose a new password. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. Your password is now updated. Log in using your new password. Now, immediately secure your account settings. Enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Add a backup email and phone number. Review recent login activity for anything suspicious. Log out of devices you don't recognize. Save your password in a trusted password manager. Keep recovery details stored safely offline too. Never share your password with anyone. Avoid clicking suspicious login emails. Strong security keeps your account safe long-term. You can also use trusted contacts if you set them earlier. They can provide recovery codes to help you log in. Turn on login alerts to detect future problems quickly. You'll find these options in the security settings. Getting locked out is stressful, but recovery is possible. Remember, username search, identity verification, reset link. Once reset, your account works on all devices again. Now your account is stronger than before. Good security habits protect your digital life. Use these steps anytime you lose access. Check the description for the recovery links. Tell us in the comments if this worked for you. Hit like if this helped you recover your account. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes. We post simple guides every week. Stay secure, stay connected. Your account recovery is complete. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide. And remember, online safety always comes first.